This is TalkNTech. Tech, that's what I'm talking about. Subscribe.
What's up? Welcome to TalkNTech. And in this video, we will be talking about the SanDisk Ixpand drive, 128 gigabytes. In the last video, I reviewed this product, and I talked about how you can use it and how it would work. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. It's the video before this. I'll leave it in the link below. And in this video, I'll be talking about how you can use it with the iPhone, because this is Lightning, and of course it would work on an iPhone. So first, I'll show you how this looks. It looks pretty cool because it's double-sided like this. Okay guys, now that I showed you how it looks, we will be testing it out. If you like this product, I'll be leaving a link below where to buy it. You can get it on Amazon for pretty cheap. And there's multiple storage capacity, but this one, the one I have, is 128 gigabyte. And if you don't know what that is, that's a pretty decent amount of storage. You could fit like all the data on a phone onto here. So first of all, we turn on our phone, and then we plug it inside the port right here, and then you wait a couple seconds and it should prompt you like this. It should prompt you, Ixpand drive would like to communicate with SanDisk Ixpand flash drive. But first of all, you have to download the app, and I'll show you it after. So first you press allow, and it'll bring you to the Ixpand app, and then it'll be like this right here. So I'll give you a tour of it. So right here, this button, it's so you can take photos directly to this external storage. So if I take a photo here, like that, it would capture it, and then it would bring it right onto the drive. So you don't have to use the internal storage. You could just transfer it right away here. And then if you go back here, you could copy files. So you could click here, and you could choose from phones, or from phone to the Ixpand drive, or from the Ixpand to your phone. Then if you click back here, you could do view files, and then you can see all the files on the Ixpand. You could sort it out: photos, videos, music. Then if you click here, you could see from the phone. So you could select them, and then you could drag it over there. And that's basically all you need to know to transfer your storage. For example, on the thing, there's one item, the photo that I took. You click on it, right here you click select, click on it, and then you could send it right away. That's the really cool part. You could click here, and you could send it right away to someone. Or you could copy or save to phone. So if I save to phone, it would just pop up on my photos. So that's basically it. I'll show you a little bit more around the app, and then I'll show you how you could get it and how it looks, the icon. You can click here, backup and restore, and every time you plug it inside, it would back up automatically, and it'll prompt you to delete everything. And that's really useful, so you don't have to like choose everything. And then there's do more store, and that's because there are other apps. And that's basically it. You could like see these like recommendations, what you can do, and then right here there's like about, security, feedback, and all that. And that's basically it. Now I'm going to show you the app is right here. Right there, that's the app. That is the app that you need to get it on App Store. So if you go here, App Store, well, I'm not going to show you right now because it's going to load a long time, but you can buy it off App Store. Just search up Ixpand drive and then it'll show up right away. And that's all. So if you want to eject it, you can't eject because it's not like Samsung. Just power off and then you could safely remove it. So that's how you can use it with the app. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can never miss a video. Because if you like this one, there's going to be so much more videos that you would like. And if you subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. So this is really good product because you can use it on your phone and transfer data, or from computer to your phone. So like if you have a photo on your phone you want to put on your computer, you could just put it on here and then drag it over to your computer, or the other way around. And this is really useful. You can use it in lots of scenarios. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned, I will have multiple cool videos like this, and that's all. So anyway, like and subscribe and support me by subscribing. That's all for today, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye. Like and subscribe and hit this video right here and subscribe right here to never miss a video, and hit the notification bell. And down below I left the link to the Ixpand, so check that out.